Take a listen with me. Do you do this with your neck? Oh, there are better ways to help your neck, like starting with getting those muscles around the neck to actually relax, get your breathing back in a regular pattern, and start to move your neck to reduce those symptoms. And rather than focusing on neck stretches, I recommend improving the mobility of your thoracic spine and your rib cage to actually help take pressure off of your neck. But I recommend going beyond just mobility and improving that stability and strength around the neck, just like so many people have done within Gen Health by following our programs.